As Josh just reported, early estimates put the damage from the Napa earthquake as high as $1 billion. If that's true, it could be one of the costliest earthquakes ever in the United States. But as Mary Thompson reports, millions of California homeowners don't have earthquake insurance, putting many of them on very shaky ground.
In less than a minute, the strongest earthquake to hit Northern California in 25 years caused hundreds of millions, possibly billions of dollars in damages, a cost many homeowners in Napa Valley will bear themselves.
It's startling that only 10% roughly statewide of Californians are protected against this risk.
The number is even lower in Napa. Only 6% of homeowners have coverage that averages about $800 a year.
It is an expensive coverage. It's a high deductible, so people are more reluctant to buy the coverage. However, it is very important that they do have it.
After the more than $24 billion in insured damages caused by the Northridge, California quake in 1994, many insurers dropped earthquake coverage for homeowners in the Golden State. So California created the Public-Private California Earthquake Authority, or CEA, to fill the gap. And while just under 900,000 homeowners buy the coverage, the CEA's Glenn Pomeroy says it can cover the damage in Napa.
Our financial strength is rock solid. We have over $10 billion in claims paying capacity at the ready.
It's also ready to write new policies for interested homeowners. Visits to its website spiked after the quake, as the CEA says they typically do after a trembler. Among the businesses in the damaged region, Constellation Brands, the owner of Robert Mondavi Wines, says it sustained minimal damage. Damage or not, the Insurance Information Institute says big firms like Constellation are typically better protected than small businesses, which could take a bigger financial hit.
Most likely, you'll find that the larger businesses, commercial businesses, have a risk manager in place, and they will most likely have the coverage, whereas smaller companies, startups particularly, may not have any kind of earthquake coverage or a very minimal amount.
A lack of coverage that leaves small businesses and homeowners exposed to the financial aftershocks of a quake. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Mary Thompson.